Hello everybody, this is Michelle Fox and welcome back to The Simple Quilter. Today I have a fun and exciting video to share with you. Before we get started with today's video, I want to show you the layout that I selected from my last video. Some of you gave me your input on which layouts you like best, but my husband and I like this one best, so this is the one that I selected. I really like how this quilt turned out, and it was fun to pair my scraps with a white background, and I just really like the outcome of that. And again, it was a fast and easy quilt to do, and the outcome was beautiful. Today's topic is 15 plus ways to use a sticky roller in your quilt room. The first tip I want to share with you is using your sticky roller to clean your quilt top before it's quilted. A lot of times you'll have threads on there and you don't want those threads to get embedded in the quilting, so you can just use your sticky roller to clean all those unwanted threads off. And it works like a charm. Now, just a tip, you don't want to do this to the back of your quilt. You will have such a terrible mess because there's so many raw edges. Just only use this tip for the top of your quilt. Okay, for the number 2 way you can use your sticky roller, this morning I was ironing a bunch of scraps and there were threads everywhere, so I just used my sticky roller to get the threads off all those scraps as I was pressing them. Then for the number 3 tip, when I was done pressing all those scraps, I had thread all over my ironing board, so you can use your sticky roller to clean the scraps of thread off your ironing board. And for the number 4 tip, a lot of times when I'm filming, you'll see threads, loose threads on my clothing, and you can use it to clean threads off your clothing. Now I have to say, I love the sticky rollers, and I wish when I was younger I would have invested in them, because this has to be one of the greatest inventions of all time. Okay, number 5. You can use your sticky roller to clean off your design boards. And yes, they do get scraps of thread all over them. Number 6, this is a great use for these. You can clean your bags off. There's all kinds of threads on that. And you can clean them out. Wow, how cool is that? Now for number 6, you can use it to clean off your jelly rolls before you open them. I don't know if you can see all that coming off. This is an older jelly roll, but I would rather have all that stuff here than all over my cutting mat and me. Oh yes, and don't forget, if you have any Moda scrap bags, you can clean them the same way. You can also use that to clean honey buns too. I don't have any honey buns to show you. Alright, now when I cut batting, I have batting that kind of gets stuck on my mat, and the easiest way for me to clean that is just to use my sticky roller. And a lot of times when I just have a lot of scraps and stuff on my mat, when I can't get them off just by doing that, I'll use my sticky roller to clean my mat, and that was number 8. Okay, I've kind of lost track of which number we're on, but here are some more ideas for ways you can use your sticky roller in your quilt room. Cleaning the dust off your wall hangings. Here is number 10. You can use your sticky roller to clean the dog hair off your couch. Now Molly and Milo both like to get up here. Molly didn't want to come in here today, but Milo loves to come in here and lay on the couch while I am filming videos or just when I'm sewing. Number 11, after I've held or petted Molly or Milo, then I use the lint roller to get all the dog hair off me. So number 12 is to use the sticky roller to clean the dust off the arms and the back of your couch or other cloth furniture. You can use it to clean your blinds. And get all that unwanted dust off your blinds. It really works great for cloth blinds also. Good grief, I really needed to clean. Okay, we are on number 14, and you can use it to clean your lampshades. And don't forget the tops or the rims of your lampshades. You can use it to clean your table toppers, especially the table toppers that you don't want to be putting in your washing machine. It just works great. It gets the dust off. And what an easy and quick way to clean. Okay, and now we have number 16, one of my favorite uses of the lint roller, and that is to clean my design wall. Oh my gosh, look how much threads were on there, and the wall's still not clean. I'm going to have to do this several times and pull the little pieces off more frequently. If you've enjoyed today's video, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Please share this with a friend, and if you have a comment, please leave a comment. I love to get the comments, and I do try to reply to each one. So until next time, have fun quilting.